Welcome back, people. We got another unboxing video here today. So this is brought from what was it called? AliExpress. Well, I had to think about that for a sec. Didn't take too long to turn up. It says estimated 7 to 15 days. It turned up in 12 days, so not too bad. This is a 1000 watt electric e-bike conversion kit. I'm going to be building this, showing you how to wire up the controller, how to connect different types of throttles, showing it on my bike and all that good stuff that you guys want to see. I made a playlist of e-bikes and e-scooters, or electric scooters, electric bikes, whatever. You'll find a playlist on my channel that I made just for electric bikes and stuff. So I'm going to be making a part 1, 2 and 3 and whatever, and I'm going to be building my own electric bike with this conversion kit. And we're obviously going to be doing tests and stuff. We're going to take it out on the roads and see how it does, and I'm going to connect it up to hydraulic brakes and put my own brake sensors in and stuff like that. So definitely going to be fun building it, because I really like messing around with electrics. And it seems like a lot of you guys are quite interested about me explaining about the controller. So for the controller for this, I'll do a separate video of understanding all the wires. So then as I said, I'm also going to be making a video on how to wire up different throttles, because again, a lot of people are interested. So if you are new, you want to see this on my bike at some point and see it in action, and me riding and having fun on it, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to drop a like on the video as well, helps me out. Well, the wheel looks awesome. It does look really, really good. I picked this one specifically just because it was to my taste. Obviously you don't have to get the same, but if anyone is interested, this cost me, what was it, £272. Well, the actual wheel itself was 137, but the delivery shipping cost, yeah, that's what got it up to £272. I'm in the United Kingdom. If you order from somewhere else, maybe it could be cheaper. Right, let's remove all the polystyrene. Looks like it's been well packaged, so that's really good. So this wheel here, they do all different sizes. This wheel here is a 27.5 inch, just because that's the size of my rear wheel already. Let's take it out of the wrapper in. Oh, look at that rim. Oh, yes, that looks great. So I've messed around with electric bikes and scooters for a long time now, and never used to really make many videos on it, but it seems like a lot of you guys are enjoying them, so that's nice. There's a connector there, rather than it just being one big long massive wire like some of the other kits that I've got in the past. Look at them pins. I'm glad they put this little protection thing on there, because them pins, if one of those get bent, it's over. So let's leave that like that. Let's cut up the polystyrene. So this specific kit does not come with a tyre, does not come with an inner tube, but that's fine. I've already brought some new Continentals to put on it anyway, so not too bothered. Look at that rim. I'm sorry there's loads of mess everywhere. I'm in the process of fixing my brother's scooter, so let's get this off. And this one just here. There we go. And we'll have a look, see what else is in the box. But that is a beautiful rim. Look at that, wow. Also, just to mention, if you want to support the channel that little bit more, we now have memberships, so you can click the link in the description below. But if not, by at least subscribing, if you are able to share my content, please do. Helps me grow as a content creator. That thing does have some weight to it, so everything in this box, including the wheel, is 10 kilograms. Just so that way you guys know if anyone was interested in the weight. Okay, so we got that there, and we also have a box. Good old cable tyres. Probably wouldn't use those ones because they are a bit thin. I use my own, but it's handy that it comes with it. Let's see what we get. So, some cable tyres. We've got this little flexi thing. I'm guessing this is what we will put a wire through. This is like an outer casing. And as always, your handy, let's have a look, see if it's in English. Yeah, okay, it's in English. Yeah, handy booklet. Wonder in there if it says about the wires. I know what the wires are, but for the controller, but let's see if it says. Probably not. Okay, yeah, it does there, it explains. Well, as I said, I don't need that because I know where the wires go anyway. I'll make a separate video on that. So we have this little bag. This little bag, our controller is going to fit in there. Feels waterproof. It's definitely padded, both sides. So that's a really good sign. Obviously that will go onto the bike, onto the frame. Getting into the best part of it, let's have a look at the controller. I still have not come across the brake levers yet. As I said, I'm using my own, but it did say it did come with some, and we haven't seen the throttle. So it could all be in here. Let's have a look. Yeah, I do different types of unboxing videos as well, just to mention that if people like the unboxing videos. Okay, looks like everything is here. Alright, let's have a look then. Okay, I have no clue what's in there, but here's the controller. Wow, that is actually really small, a really small controller. That is a really small controller. So they've already wired it up for you, so you don't have to wire up too much, so that's not too bad, but obviously I will just disconnect it and make a separate video on that. So in here we have our display. We got the on button and the change for the assist. Wow, loads of cable there, that's nice. That's good. So this is the SW900 display. That's quite feels quite durable, you know. It actually does feel quite strong. Never had this display before, but we'll give it a go. So that's obviously, as I said, already connected. I'm just going to disconnect that just for now, just so it's out of the way. So our controller here, we are connected. They've already connected all the wires for us, as I said, but I'm going to make some adjustments to that anyway. So for the thumb throttle, that one's already connected. I'm going to be putting on a different type of throttle, which I'll make a video of. And then here, these wires are, all of these wires here are for the motor. So let's have a look at the end of that. There's the pin that it goes into. So that pin's going to have to be kind of close to that wheel, because that wire is not very long. And this wire is not very long either. So the controller definitely has to be close to the back wheel. Here we have our pass for when we're pedaling, so we can got some magnets there. So that's pretty nice that it gives you magnets with it. It's always handy, saves you going to buy your own. That's one thing I was wondering whether I had to buy my own, but yeah, it comes with it, so that's good. And because it's magnetic, it's kind of stayed together. Just put that to one side. And then our brake levers, as I said, I'm not going to be using these because I'm going to be using my hydraulic brakes, and I'm going to add my own sensors. So the sensors that I'm going to be using for it is the sensor inside, just inside there, that little bit of yellow, if you can see it, just there. I unscrewed that off an old pair of brakes, exactly the same as these electric brakes. Unscrewed that, pulled that out, and then I'm going to put this part on my own bike and do it my own way. So that's pretty cool. And then we have, I don't know, and then we have a couple of grips, which kind of cheap, but hey, if you haven't got none, it's better than nothing. So yeah, not bad. Looks really good so far. Everything's there. They haven't missed anything. Nothing looks damaged. Looks well done. Oh, there's just, my place is so messy. My front room has literally become a garage or an electric bike shop or a scooter shop. I don't know, something. Yeah. Okay, so keep an eye out for the next video. I'm going to show you. What video should I do next? Maybe explaining the converter and how that works, and how wires connect up to it. And then obviously at some point I'm going to make a video on building this thing, and should be interesting. So yeah, keep an eye out. Definitely can't wait to get this built and then take it out on the roads and see how well it performs. So this is a 1000 watt, as I mentioned, Don't forget to hit that like button if you did enjoy this video. Keep an eye out for the next video. It will be coming very shortly. Hope you guys did enjoy this one. We'll catch you people again soon for some more fun and games. I am out.